In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outside rear view mirror on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. We're going to take this trim piece off. I'm just going to use a trim tool, just get underneath. Just pop the clips off. Just pops off. You can see where there's clipped in. Take this cover off. I'm just going to use a pick, get in behind here. Pop that out, pop the switch out, just use a trim tool, just get underneath, slide it up. You can disconnect the connector, just push down, slide that off, and the other connector, push down, that slides right off. There's a cover right here, just use a pick, get under that, pop that off. Using a 7mm socket, take this screw out. I'm going to take a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. Take that out. Now in these two holes, we're going to take these screws out, use a T25 socket. Out. And one down below. With a trim tool, just go along the perimeter and just pop the clips out. And just try to pull outwards. It's loose. Grab the door panel, slide it up. There we go. Pop the cables off. Pop that out. For the other cable, I'm going to use some needle nose pliers. Slide that out. So you're just trying to push down on those two tabs, squeeze that, and then slide it out. Disconnect the connector, slide it off, and you can slide the door panel off. Just grab this cover, slide it out. It's just a couple push pins holding it in. If you need to, use a trim tool. Disconnect the connector. Push down on the tab, slide that off. Using an 8mm socket, take these nuts off. Before I take the top one out, I'm just going to hold the mirror from falling. Slide it out, and it comes right out. And take the new mirror, slide the wiring harness through, the bracket lined up. Get the nut started. Once you get one nut started on pretty good, you can let go. And put the other two nuts on. Pull the grommet through. If you need to, you can use a pick. or a screwdriver. Just try to pull that through. All right, that's good. Now snug these down. Just snug, not too tight. Oops. That's good. Take the connector, line it up, plug it in. Now connect the connector. And take the cables, line those up. That on. All right, that's good. Make sure those go in there. All right. Slide this in position. Get that lined up. Before pushing the door panel all the way on, just take this cover, slide that in place, lock it down. Now just push all the push pins in. That's good. Now put the screws in. Snug those down. Put this cover on. Put the switch in place, connect the connectors, line that up, push it down, and take the bolt, get that one started. Snug that down, take the cover, line it up, lock it down, and the cover that goes right here. Line that up and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.